Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Abel. Abel's been trading with us from the 12th of May 2021 up until the date of review 11th of June 2021. Abel's had a daily gain of 0.33%, a monthly gain of 10.23%, and a drawdown of 1.89%. Abel is now managing $30,000. Let's look at the journey and see Abel's journey. Abel's traded, funny enough, only 41 trades within the 8 weeks of joining us. And looking at the advanced statistics, we can see Abel's won 34 out of 41, which represents an 83% gain. And he's only lost 7 out of 41 trades, which represents 17% loss rate. So this is a very impressive trading report. And looking at the monthly analytics, 3.11% in May, 8.16% in June. So there's that saying, less is more, and this trader clearly complements that. We can see this trader's traded at 0.50 consistently, but spread his trades across a few pairs. And if we look at the amount of pips gained, 25 pips, 67 pips, 37 pips, 53 pips respectively, and this trader's gained consistent gains, which is a very great achievement. So looking at what this trader's done, let's look at the average trades taken. And the average trades taken, we can see this trader's got the Australian dollar CAD, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, and Euro CHF. And overall, we can see this trader has split and diversified very smartly, with the biggest gain on the pound US dollar, diversify smartly, spread the risk across all these currency pairs, and achieve 10%. So there's nothing more I can say apart from congratulations on this milestone achievement, and keep doing what you're doing, and I wish you all the best.